Well, 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 well. It's me again. As you can tell, JB. Have a flat tire. Just found a screw. Just found a screw on my tire. Last time I drove my car, it was Tuesday afternoon. And right now it's Thursday. I didn't drive my car yesterday or today. Just came down from my car and I saw this. So now what we're gonna do is a little repair. Let's try to steer the car. Do a little bit more to the left. Have the car up on the jack here. This is the jack that comes with the car. So it's not a regular floor jack that you find at the garage, at a garage. So there you go. There's the repair kit. I just bought it right now from Canadian Tire. And there's the there's a screw right there. I found it in like 2 seconds. Doesn't take me too long to find a hole in the tire. There's a puncture. This is a reamer, and this is the tool that sticks the plug into place. So no glue came in this kit. There was no glue, so I bought the glue here. I want to put it in with glue, so let's do that. And I didn't drive the car Wednesday. I didn't drive the car today, which is Thursday. I just came down here to look at my car because I thought it was time to wash. So it was coincidence. I just came down here to check out the car to see how dirty or how clean the car was, deciding to wash or not. And I saw the rim on the floor, so I filled it up with I filled up the tire with air with my pump. I have here, I have a pump right here from Motormaster. My pump is in here, and this is my car jump starter here. So I have two devices here. So I'm gonna do it in not slow motion, but I'm gonna do it in the accelerated video, so in the time-lapse video. So let's do that.